Hey everybody, today we're going to look at a Salem villa, model number 42QBQ-8 by Forest River. Let's get started.
Okay, on the campsite of this destination trailer, you're going to have a nice large awning with an LED light. Coming right on down, you do have a very nice outside kitchen with some storage area up here. And around on the back, you are going to have a bumper mounted grill with a ladder to access your roof. Okay, let's go inside and take a look.
Beautiful destination trailer.
Coming into this villa, we'll start here in the kitchen. You're going to have a nice double sink with a drawer and some storage down below.
And here.
And a garbage can.
There we go.
Nice large storage up above. More storage above your microwave and refrigerator.
Okay.
They give you a Furrion 3-burner cooktop with an oven.
Yep.
A residential refrigerator. And right next to that is a pantry area. Some great storage. Coming right around, your entertainment center will be here. Your TV will mount right up there. Down below, you'll see that you do have a sound bar and an electric fireplace that is both pretty and functional. It will give off heat. You have a three cushion sofa, Versa Lounge, storage down below. Large windows with slow rise shades all the way around. The back of this sofa right here will remove and you can turn it around the other way. So then you will have a nice large U-shaped dinette. You'll see that there is storage with a tote under each side. This table will come down. You can make this into additional sleeping if you need to. However, you may not need it. This unit has a huge rear bunk room. Now this is a screen door that's stored up here that will be put in place upon delivery. 2 large bunks here. Across the back you have a very large storage area. Room right there in the middle to mount another TV should you need one. Excellent storage. Here on this slide you have another bunk. This bunk will clip up into place. You can use this down here as a sofa, or it will also transform into another sleeping area. A great feature of this bunk room, you'll see that that slides up out of the way. And you also have a half bath with your sink and mirror. You'll see that this does have a door here for outside access. It is great for whoever's using this bunk room, or if you have guests, so they don't have to come all the way through your camper. Coming toward the front, your restroom here, you're going to have a nice corner shower and way more than enough headroom. We joke, but Shaquille O'Neal could take a shower in here and have plenty of room. You've got some storage right up here. Your foot flush toilet is in a great position. Right over here, you're going to have your sink with a little bit of storage down below and a mounted mirror with a shelf for your toiletries as you need them. Here in the master bedroom, you're going to see that your bed is on a slide. You've got some storage up above, and they do give you windows on both sides and reading lights. You also have USB and power on both sides with little nightstands, and if you can see that there is some storage right below that. Here at the back you have a large wardrobe with a hanging all the way across. You also have a shelf up above it. That is a great size closet. Underneath your bed, even more storage. And here at the foot of the bed, they give you a dresser with 6 large drawers.
And this does have 2 ACs on it.
Yes, let me get a shot up there. That's your second AC, and your other AC is going to be in the living room area. You do have TV hookups back here if you would like to add an additional TV.
All right, folks, if you like this destination, the dealership's information will be down in the description below. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow along with us. Thanks, everybody.